Hello everyone, welcome to class series, and in this video we are going to learn the short summary of the poem Kutya Mein Raj Bhavan, which is written in Hindi. So everyone plug in your earphones. This is a poem by one of the foremost Hindi poets of the modern era, which is Maithili Sharan Gupta. When Sita was in exile with Lord Rama, she felt as if the forest and the hut in which they lived were like a palace. Sita says that her mind is at ease in the little hut as much as it would be in a large royal palace. Lord Rama himself is with her, and so is her brother in law, Lakshman. The sage grant them their own blessings, and nothing compares to the wealth that the bountiful nature provides. One can see a deer and a lion drinking from the same river bank. Sita feels that there are only advantages in living in exile. Sita says that she is not cared for by others and she takes care of herself, is independent, and because of the hard work that is needed, her health is good. She fans herself with her own tresses. Her body feels like it is made up of flowers. Tender leaves welcomes her, while her mind is inspired by the flowers, and everyday branches bear fruits which are available to them. It is as if in every nook and corner large hoarders of pearls are glimmering. It is as if nature has given them her treasuries. Whoever said that their fate was sealed is wrong. Their fates are glimmering now, according to Sita. She feels like doing something. She is inspired. The forest itself is her household. Janki herself has come in the form of a woman. The branches are decorated with flowers and fruits. The green leaves are like plates. The daughters of the sages are like her friends. The waves of the river are like applause. All the raw materials and ingredients are available to her in the forest. Therefore, she finds herself at home in the forest and in her hut as it is her palace.